Hey guys, that MUT Gamer back here for yet another pack opening. Once again, like I've been telling the last couple days, this is me pulling for boss Calvin Johnson. I pulled so many packs, guys. So that's why I'm like, I'm slowly uploading each of like parts of the pack opening every single day. Honestly, it was just the craziest, couple like day for me pretty much when I pulled for boss Calvin. Cal went so try hard on trying to get him. Mainly, like I said before, so I can get gameplay out to you guys with ball Calvin. Once again, if anyone will let me use him, I would love to use him just so I can get gameplay and I get him right back. Honestly, that's all right now I'm focused on is, I want to get these new players just so I can get gameplay out to you guys. Because I know some of you guys want to see how these players play and see, what kind of animations they get and how do they compare up to other players in the game as Amari Cooper versus Boss Calvin. Who's better? I don't know. Amari Cooper does get really glitchy and he gets a lot of glitchy animations, so it would be difficult to really compare those two. But 91 overall Hunter, definitely a great pull. Something that you can be proud of. But yeah, so pretty much guys, again as I said before, hopefully they improve the pack odds. It seems like every year the pack odds gets a little bit worse and a little bit more and more worse. So I don't know. I'm kind of losing faith in EA with pack odds. But who knows? They might turn it around and give us something good. So see you guys in the next video though. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, like for more videos. That MUT Gamer will be signing out. Peace.